Hello everyone! In this video we're going to draw an alien from Toy Story. Start by drawing an oval as a guide for the head. And to draw the oval, let's first draw a couple of construction guides. So draw a horizontal construction guide and curve it just slightly, and this will give you the width of the oval. So if you want a bigger drawing, just make this line longer. And then make a mark near the middle of the line, slightly to the left of the middle of the line. So the middle of this line would be like around here, so just slightly to the left. Make another small mark, and then make this line longer to create a curved vertical line. And now make a couple of small marks on the vertical line, and this will give you the height of the oval, and a couple of marks on the horizontal construction guide, and this will give you again the width of the oval. And notice that how long the vertical line is in relation to the horizontal line. I'd say it's about, the horizontal line is about 1.5 times the size of the vertical line. Doesn't have to be exact, but around there will give you a good oval. And now connect the small marks using curved lines to give you the shape of the oval. And sketch lightly at first so that it's easy to erase if you make a mistake. Also pause the video as you draw along to draw at your own pace. So notice how wide this shape is in relation to its height. It almost looks like a football. Okay, and now below that, right where the vertical construction line ends at the bottom, just make the line longer, and this will give you his height, or the length of the body. And at the bottom, make a small mark, I would say about there. So if you flip this shape on its side, that's about as tall as he is going to be. And at the bottom, make the mark longer to create the bottom part of the body. And now just connect the horizontal construction guide at the bottom to the head to create the side of the body. And use curved lines to give them a round shape. And in the middle, draw another horizontal line to separate the legs from the torso. And on the sides, draw curved lines for the tips of the feet. Now draw a couple of short diagonal lines on the left side for the first arm, and the first arm is going to be pointing up. Maybe it's pointing up at the claw. So just a couple of sloping lines, and then close off the shape with a shorter line. And then on the end, you can draw a small circle as a guide for the hand. So you can use the 4 marks method too. So draw a couple of small marks just to indicate the sides of the circle, and then connect the small marks using curved lines to finish the shape of the circle. And we're going to draw a similar shape on the right side, but pointing downward. So starting on the right side, draw a long curved line. This time it's going downward. And then draw another line. This one will be inside the body slightly. And that's the sides of the arms, and then close off the shapes using shorter lines. And at the bottom, you can draw another circle, and you can use the small marks method or just lightly sketch a circle, whatever you find easiest. And that's it for the guidelines. Now let's start on the final drawing. Okay, so inside the head, near the top, draw a small circle as a guide for the first eye. So sketch lightly at first, and you can use the 4 marks method too if you'd like. Small mark, and then connect the small marks using curved lines, or you can just lightly sketch a small circle. And that's the first eye. Notice that it's right on top of the horizontal construction guide and directly on top of the vertical guide. So that will be the first eye. And then to the left, draw another eye. He has 3 eyes. So draw another small circle and tilt this circle slightly so that it sort of looks like it's tilting toward the right. And to the right, draw another circle as a guide for the other eye. And then when you get the shapes right, darken the lines. And then draw a couple of small circles and shade them in for the pupils, and draw the circles close to the top edges of the circles because he's looking up. He's looking up at the claw. And draw a couple of short lines for a few creases on the underside of the eyes. Now below the eye in the middle, draw a small diamond-like shape for the mouth's opening. And he's going to be, making that O sound that they make the first movie. So draw a diamond-like shape to give the mouth an opening. And then on the sides, just draw short horizontal lines for the sides of the mouth. And now on the left side, draw the ear as a pointy shape. So draw a vertical line and then a curved line right next to it to create a triangular shape for the first ear, and then do the same to the ear on the right. Draw a short line and then a curved line for the outer edge of the ear. And he's looking up, so the ear on the right is going to be slightly lower than the ear on the left. And on top of the head, draw 2 short lines for the antenna. So notice how the antenna is wider at the bottom than it is at the top. And at the tippy top, just draw a small circle for the top of the antenna. And then just darken the shape of the initial oval for the rest of the head. And now let's move on to the body. Darken the shapes on the left for the first arm. So just darken the outer edges of the rectangular shape. And then on the right side, draw a curved line for the thumb. So this line should be similar to an upside down letter U. So a small arc. That'll be the thumb. And then to the left of that, draw another longer, wider, upside down letter U for the finger that's pointing toward the claw. And then to the left of that, draw another curved line for the other finger that's sort of curled up. And then darken the initial circle for the rest of the hand. And inside, draw another small curved line for a crease on the hand. And now draw a horizontal line below the head for the collar on the outfit. So just follow the path of the head and draw another horizontal line under the head. And in the middle of the body, draw a small rectangular shape for the belt buckle. So right in the middle, just a small rectangular shape. And then darken the initial guideline for the belt. And then draw another couple of horizontal lines at the bottom to make the shape of the belt wider. And then just darken the guides, or the line on the left for the side of the body. And then move on to the arm. So just like before, darken the guides to create the shape of the arm. And at the bottom, this time the hand is facing down, so let's draw a shape or a curved line that's similar to the letter U, or a backward letter J, and then another curved line for the other finger. So this is the thumb, this is the finger, and this is a longer curved line, sort of more similar to the letter U, and then another curved line on the right side for the other finger. And the hand is turned, so this finger isn't that visible. And now at the bottom, darken the initial guides to create the shoes. And then draw a wavy line for the bottom of the pants / top part of the shoes. So this line dips down in the middle, and then curve the sides of the line up for the shoes. And then darken the middle to separate the legs, and darken the sides of the guides for the sides of the legs. And now let's draw the Pizza Planet logo. So it's basically a small circle on the right side of the body. So the logo is basically, I think it's like a pizza, but also a planet, sort of similar to Saturn because it has a ring. So draw a circle and then draw a sloping line to create a sort of ring around the circle, somewhat like the rings on Saturn, and then make the line slightly thicker by drawing another line. And then draw a couple of smaller circles inside, I guess to represent pepperoni. And then just darken the lines to emphasize the shapes. And that's it for the Toy Story Alien. Now go over the final lines with permanent ink, erase the guides, and color your drawing. The next few steps are sped up, but make sure that you go over your final lines slowly and carefully to avoid any accidents. For more tutorials like this one, please visit easydrawingtutorials.com. Let me know in the comments what other Toy Story characters you want to see me draw. Don't forget to leave a like and to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.